In today's video, I'm going to teach you what the migration looks like in Joplin. By the end, you'll understand how your OneNote content maps into Joplin and how to move it over without surprises. Here's the big picture. Your OneNote notebooks become Joplin notebooks. Each OneNote page turns into an individual Joplin note. Images and file attachments come along as resources that Joplin manages behind the scenes, so your notes stay clean while the linked files remain available. Your folder or section hierarchy is preserved, and you'll see that reflected as nested notebooks or a familiar note structure inside Joplin, especially if you prepared the files with a reliable converter. A quick heads up before we start. Not every formatting detail carries over perfectly. Complex embedded content and certain table layouts may need a little cleanup after import. That's normal when moving between note systems because each app handles formatting in its own way. Plan a short review pass to tidy any odd spacing, wide tables, or custom embeds so everything looks the way you expect. Let's export from OneNote using the Windows desktop version, often called OneNote 2016. Open OneNote, go to File, choose Export, select Notebook, and set the format to OneNote package with the .1pk extension. Save the .1pkg file to your computer. This creates a single bundle that keeps your notebook structure intact, which makes the transfer simpler and more reliable. The Windows 10 app and the web version don't always offer this export depending on the notebook type, so if you don't see OneNote package, switch to the desktop version or use a different export path. Now bring that content into Joplin. If you have a .1pkg or a zip produced during conversion, open Joplin Desktop. Go to File, then Import, and choose Zip, OneNote Notebook. Select the exported file, and Joplin will create a new notebook and import your pages as notes. Images and attachments arrive as resources and remain linked inside your notes. Large notebooks can take time, so let Joplin run until everything appears. If your notes are already converted to markdown files and folders, open Joplin Desktop, go to File, choose Import, then pick MD, Markdown, Directory. Select the folder containing your exported markdown. Joplin will import those files into a new notebook and mirror the directory structure where it can. This route works well if you've already organized sections into a clean folder layout. After the import, skim through your notes, check any long tables or embedded items, and make light adjustments as needed. With that, your